Hi, welcome to TravelContact. In this video, we will show you the functionalities of the administrative module of the agency and some specific features we created for administrative users on each module of the platform. It is important to take into account that in TravelContact we manage two types of access for the agency: public and private. We also have three types of users: administrative, assistant, and agent. The information a person can manage within the platform depends on these three variables. To enter the administrative module, you just have to click on your name on the upper right corner and then select the option Agency Administration. From here, you will be able to establish the agency parameters according to your needs. Also, if you need to, you can add sub-agencies and branches. Here, you will find a menu on the left side of the screen with all the sections. The first one is User Management. Here, you can activate and deactivate agents. If you click on Users, you can see contact information and you can manage payments and bonuses as well as any charges or fees for agents. To add a payment, click here and fill out the required information. To add a user to your platform, click on Add User and complete the required fields identified with the red asterisk. Also, you can activate UMAP to any of the users from here. Now we have the Agency Management section. Here you can define your agency's structure. As a host agency, you can create and manage all the information on all sub-agencies. See the basic details and the user information as well. This includes all the active or deactivated users. In TravelContact, we allow you to create branches grouping users and sub-agencies based on the needs of your businesses. If you are a host agency, you will be able to see the list and the details of all the branches you have registered. We created a complete structure for the client's profile. Nevertheless, we understand that each agency may need extra fields to complete the profile. On the customization section, you will be able to create new sections and fields for the client's profile. Based on the need of your agency, you can choose between creating a standard form or a data table. Add up to 4 new sections on the client's profile. To create a category using the standard form, add the section name, choose the standard subsection type, and then add the columns you need. On this format, you can add up to 2 columns with multiple fields. If you choose the data table, add the section's name, choose the data table subsections type, and then add the table and columns. On this format, you can add up to 5 columns with multiple fields of different types. On the subscription and billing section, you can check your invoices, see your pending payments, and manage your agency's licenses. The last section will be the agency settings. Customize your company's preference to make TravelContact your own. As an administrative user, you can add your agency logo. It will be used as a default logo for itineraries and invoices. You can choose whether to upload it from your computer or by copying the image's URL. Select the privacy of your agency. Choose between public and private. A public agency is for those where all users have access to the entire database. However, only admin users will have access to agency-level reports. On the other hand, in a private agency, users will only have access to their own database. All users will have access to the entire supplier's database. Only admin users will have access to agency general reports. Then, we have Add Terms and Conditions for the invoices. Click on Add New. Then select between basic or extended. Add a description and the terms text to save the changes, click on Save. Now let's go back to the main page. Here I will show you all the modules within the TravelContact. In the Clients module, you will be able to create clients and prospects. Once you have entered this module, you will see a list with all the clients that have been created in the platform. Find your client faster by organizing them by first name, last name, or rating. Also, you can use advanced filters as well as a search bar. Use the Add New button to create clients individually. To add a client, you need to fill out the required fields. As an administrative user, you have the possibility to assign clients to different travel agents. By clicking on the name of any person on the list, you will enter a client's profile. View or edit the information within the different sections and categories. In the General Information section, we have the personal information of the clients. We can also add a classification. If the person is a client or prospect, a sub-classification, if is a referent or VIP, and the client's type. You can add passports and visas on this section. On the Network section, the agents will be able to create links among the clients to facilitate the creation of group trips. On the Preference section, here you can add information related to the client's tastes and interests. Then we have the Agency Information section. This is very useful for you. Here you will find details about the creation date of the client and the agent to whom it is assigned. This agent can be changed by clicking on Edit and adding the name of the new agent to which it will be assigned. You can also share the client with another agent from the same agency or assign clients to the agents from here. Now let's move on to the Trips module. The Trip module is a trip manager and itinerary builder all in one. Manage existing trips, create new proposals, send beautiful itineraries, and invoice to your clients, while keeping track of costs, payments, and commissions. Once you enter this module, you will find all existing trips listed in the section regardless of the status, alongside all relevant details just as the name of the trip, your contact client, amount of travelers, and date range. Find your trip faster using the search bar and the different filters. Use the Create Trip button to create the new trips. Fill out the required fields, which are identified with a red asterisk. At the top of the trip page, you will find the different sections and tools you have available when managing a trip. From clients to history, you can see them summarized in the trip's dashboard. Take a look at the upper bar. Here you can check and change the status of the trip. When all the services are under proposal, you can choose the trip status between draft and negotiation. Then, if you want to confirm the entire trip, click on Confirm. Then, when days pass, the trip will be closer and the status will automatically change from Confirm to Upcoming, Active, and Recent. Finally, once you have received all the payments and assigned all the commissions of the trip, feel free to click on Close to change the trip to his final status. Enter the Clients section to find a list of all of the clients added to the trip. You can check the contact person who is the one receiving the information about the trip. You can choose more than one person to be the main contact. Build a trip from the Service section. Add individual services or wholesaler package to a trip. Check all the details added for each service. Enter relevant account information, including cost, commissions, fees, and markup of the trip. Now going to the itinerary section. Here you can send beautiful itineraries for your clients. It's effortless to build an itinerary in TravelContact, as we do it for you with the information previously entered on the platform. Take advantage of our integration with UMAP, an itinerary app where you can find other time-saver features. In the invoice and commission section, you can easily track and manage all trips accounting. TravelContact keeps everything organized in one place. Invoice, payments, and commissions. Here you can see all the invoice generated and you can add payments received. Also, you can check or edit the commissions and split the payment between the agent and the agency. Last but not least, you can enter the information corresponding to the payment to the supplier. Now we have the suppliers module. In the supplier module, you will find all the information you need in one place. Have access to a curated database and add additional information to each profile for agency use. Do a simple search or use the filters to find what are you looking for faster. Enter to the supplier profile by clicking on his name and you will be able to edit or add information here. Going on to the reminders module. Here, you can send reminders to your clients about birthdays, anniversaries, or expiration of visa and passports. You will be able to perform simple searches and select the date range. If you wish to send a reminder to a client, first select the type of reminder. Click on the envelope icon located on the right side of the name and edit the message to give it your personal touch. Then click on Send. Then we have the Transactions module. This module was created to provide a better control of the transactions of all the services created by the agent, also to generate reports with relevant data information. This module is divided into 3 sections available to the agents: Service Reports, Commissions Report, and Invoice Report. Then we have the Input Commission tab, which is only for administrative users. Here, you can do an advanced search for services using the filters. You can enter the payment of a commission from this module. To enter the commission, you need to locate the service and click on the Actions button. Choose the option Enter Commission. Click on Payments and select the Add Commissions button. Now, a new window will open where you must complete the information. Also, from the Actions button, you can edit or delete payments at any time. Finally, we have the Reports module. Here, you will find detailed and comprehensive analytics for better decision making. TravelContact enables you to monitor sales and commissions for the entire company or independent agent, as well as suppliers and clients' performances to help identify important opportunities and risk areas while allowing you to make data-driven decisions. First, we have the Amount section. Here you can manage total sales and commissions, monitor and track commissions to the agency and the agents from here. All information is broken down depending on the service's status: proposal, confirm, and cancel. Check the total gross amount of the confirmed services on the agency and use the filter to find a specific information. Then we have the Suppliers tab. Here you can monitor your supplier sales and see which your top suppliers for each service are. In this section, you can see the total sales of the agency by service and by suppliers. You will be able to establish a date range and visualize all incomes generated in the course of the selected time. Moving on to the Agent section, here you can monitor their agents to the last detail, and the agents can receive their own performances in this section. Select the date range and browse an agent to view total sales and commission, plus downloadable reports for services sold, commissions received, commissions paid out, and agent's fee. Last but not least, we have the Clients section, where you will find a snapshot of all information added to TravelContact on a client's level. See your client's totals broken down by their status, category, source, gender, and other relevant information. Find individual reports to help you get to know your client and client's trends better. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.